Sally and I have each lost 50 pounds and we've completely transformed our body composition, front to back, side to side, jawline to feet. Hi everyone, welcome to I Jump Instead on YouTube. My name is Stephanie and thank you for watching this BCAN Bungee Rebounder review. This is a rebounder that is available on Amazon, and there are two different sizes of this BCAN Bungee unit. A 40-inch rebounder, which is this one, and a 48-inch rebounder. If you're choosing between those two sizes, I'd say they perform pretty similarly, but the 48-inch does have more mat space. So I would get your measuring tape and look at what 48 inches will take up as far as space in your home, and that could help you decide which size you choose. But I personally prefer the 40-inch, and I definitely recommend that you get a handlebar to go with any rebounder you decide to purchase. BCAN also has a spring unit available. We don't recommend that particular spring rebounder, but we do recommend this for a budget-friendly unit to introduce jumping into your lifestyle. Whether you're gonna jump instead or you're just gonna start incorporating the up and down motion to your lifestyle, we want you understanding the power of the up and down motion. And that's what rebounding offers to our bodies. We used to love jumping as kids, right? We jump on the bed. We maybe even remember jumping in the crib. We love jumping. When we go to the playground, if there's any sort of feature or fixture that gives us the opportunity to jump, we want to jump because there's something about the elevation and defying gravity that really connects us to healing, to health, and to strength, to anti-aging as well. This up and down motion is the standard for fitness and is the standard for human health. And the BCAN Bungee Rebounder is going to give you the flexible surface that is above ground, which provides the opportunity to jump, which provides the opportunity to get our bodies moving more. If this is just an endeavor to increase steps or to get the body moving, this could be the perfect rebounder. If your goal is maximum muscle and you're looking for a rebounder that offers maximum resistance, this is not the rebounder that we recommend. But this rebounder could last you many, many years as well, and it gets great reviews on YouTube, in our Facebook group, and on Amazon. So when it comes to the materials and the quality of the materials, this unit does reflect its price range of $100 to $150. Some of you might think that's actually expensive for a rebounder, where the Cellar Sizer Spring Rebounder and the high quality bungee units that we recommend are in the $600 to $800 price range. But fitness equipment shouldn't necessarily be cheap. Your body deserves high quality, and your body's gonna respond to what you pay for. This is the perfect rebounder to have in the living room. This is the perfect rebounder to get your jumping journey started. This is the perfect rebounder for kids and for gentle movements like flexibility work, mobility work, pumping the lymphatic system, and just getting the body in motion. We do our performance routines on a higher end unit, the Cellar Sizer Spring Rebounder or the high quality bungee unit. And there are some members in our group that use the BCAN, but we feel strongly about high quality when it comes to high use and maximum resistance, which is going to give you that maximum muscle, that maximum flexibility, and the maximum potential for lymphatic flushing. I'm so glad you're watching this video because you're interested in jumping, but we're doing more than that. We are correcting our posture. We are firming up and tightening not just the jawline, but our entire bodies and our skin. We're pumping from the inside out. We're creating and building symmetry within the strengthening of our weaknesses, the flexibility in our body, and the strength potential in our body. We are achieving symmetry in our results. So important and so crucial for best performance and for longevity and for agility. And we can take this symmetry and strength to our other fitness endeavors. So when it comes to stretching, All we're doing is applying this baby bounce. My feet are flat against the mat. I have a nice straight spine. My jaw is parallel to the ground and my teeth are closed. We nose breathe 100% on this channel. Whether we're doing higher intensity training, moderate or low intensity, it's 100% nose breathing. If you're on a journey towards nose breathing, that is fine. And we want to get you fully adapted to nose breathing. If you're looking for more information about nose breathing, please visit theoxygenadvantage.com. So we are leveling up by jumping instead, or adding jumping to our fitness endeavor. It levels up our health, it levels up our flexibility and our strength, our length, our mobility. It strengthens our weaknesses. So jumping will reveal weaknesses, and we really want to make sure that when we get a jumping journey started, we approach it so patiently and so gently. We have a beginner's guide on our website, ijumpinstead.com, and this will gradually introduce your body to this very potent up and down motion. And be very gentle. Keep your feet flat on the mat. Keep your feet connected to the mat. Maybe a little heel pump at first, and you may even start your jumping journey just by walking. You could spend months just walking and pressing down into the flexible surface of the mat. This will elevate the heart rate. This will activate the thighs, the glutes. It will get the body in motion, and it will bring circulation to the body, even if we're just stepping. So right here on this YouTube channel, we go live 6 days a week, providing you an opportunity to join a daily class and be consistent. We want you to start with the beginner's guide. We want you to feel that out, see how your body responds to jumping, and then we want you in our daily live classes. Whether you're on a BCAN or any rebounder is welcome. We just want you to have a handlebar. And these daily free classes are designed for you, to adapt you to jumping, to get you longer, to get you stronger, to get you leaner, to get you lighter, to get you more mobile, and to get your joints, tendons, and ligaments and cells stronger. That's what we are providing for you here on this YouTube channel. We also have free workouts that are kind of more vigorous and they target different body parts, and these are all in the playlist tab. And when you have explored those free workouts and you're on your jumping journey and you're ready for the most that jumping can provide for you, we offer 6 weekly bodybuilding aerobics workouts in our membership. We have a membership that costs $24.99 a month right here on YouTube. You just click the join button and you join for $24.99 a month, and we would love to have you join our 6 weekly classes. They're only 35 minutes a day, and we are the best rebounder instructors on YouTube, and these are the best classes for best results. My twin sister and I both run this channel, so we give you an exclusive experience of 2 instructors, both with 9 years of jumping experience, and we alternate and we target every single body part, which creates the most fantastic results. Sally and I have each lost 50 pounds, and we have completely transformed our body composition, front to back, side to side, jawline to feet. We are transformed, and it took a few years. We had to adapt to jumping because it revealed our weaknesses. We had to reel it back and be more patient on our jumping journey in order to get those weaknesses stronger. We had to incorporate rehabilitation. We have a rehab video that I'll link in the description. And we had to stay consistent and find the perfect amount of time to jump each day that wasn't aggravating our weaknesses, that was just making us stronger. So we want you in our classes, and we want you to be patient on your jumping journey, and we want you to get a BCAN 40-inch bungee rebounder for your living room, for the kids, for your introductory rebounder, and you'll always have it, and it will always provide for you the up and down motion and more movement. And you can correct your posture while watching TV, and you can sit down and you can lay down. There are so many exercises that we can perform on a rebounder. Just wait. You're going to be so excited because jumping is so fun, and more importantly, it is so sustainable. especially when we get a high quality rebounder that lasts a lifetime. We do have a rebounder recommendation video on our website, ijumpinstead.com. We've got lots more routines available for free on this YouTube channel. Get your BCAN introductory rebounder today, and we will see you in class soon. Take care, trophies. Bye-bye.